So in this video, I'm going to give it a try to use that new video generator in Canva. So they just released it with the Google VO3 model, which I think is incredible. It's the most powerful video model that there is. Now, the cool thing is we get 5 users or 5 prompts per month. So for the pro plans of Canva, you get 5 different tries to make a video. It might increase in the future. For now, it's a little bit on the low side, I think, but they might increase it. There's some limitations, but the content that you can generate is quite impressive. So let's see what we can do. And you can find everything here in the Canva AI section. Now, this gives you that box that we know, but now create a video clip has been added. So we can type in any prompt that we like and then generate a video clip. So let's try something fun and try a giant puppy walking slowly between the skyscrapers of New York City. We want to have a video clip, so I'm going to select that. And then it will give us a few style examples. So style, we want to either go for cartoon, vintage, you can go for cinematic, photorealistic. There's a lot of options available to go for a style that you like. I think for this one, I'll go for cinematic. The aspect ratio, you can choose 9:16 is coming soon, so for now we have 16:9. The duration, you can set it to 8 seconds. So that is the current limitation, but I see that custom duration coming soon, so we might get some upgrades there. For the framing, that is also cool, that you can get some say in the shots, so in what type of shots that you want, and you don't have to put it in the prompt itself. So wide shot, medium shot, over the shoulder, close up, point of view, or a top-down shot. I think for this one, I'll go for a wide shot. I think that will be cool. And in the lightning, we can go for, I think, a golden hour since we have that sunset in place. So I'm going to generate it, put submit, and then see what it comes up with. This will open a new sort of a chat that we see with a lot of the AI tools. So it creates like a chat. And I'll also show you how to access your previous ones, because that took me a little bit to figure out as well. Then you can see it generating in real time, and it will take about 2 minutes, it says, to generate that. So I'll just speed up this process until it is done. And here we can see that the video has been generated, and we can see that dog walking through the city, and you can just see that sunlight, that realism that we get in the picture. It's not a bad video. Now the cool thing is we can just go to Canva editor straight away. So if we click this, it will instantly go to a video format. And here this works as any regular video. So you can just play around with the video. If you don't like those borders, you can always crop them, or you can increase the video to sort of crop out the black bands at the top and the bottom, or you can leave them in if you want that cinematic feel. That is also perfectly possible. And if we put this on full screen, you can see that the sound that it brings and has been added is quite realistic and is a really nice effect to your designs as well. So the sound is automatically included, and I think within a few seconds and a prompt, you get quite a cool result with this new feature from Canva Video. So thanks a lot for watching to the video. I hope you liked it, to show you a little bit how that video generation works. I will play around with it myself a lot more to experience or try to push the boundaries a little bit of that video editing. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you would like me to experiment with some different things in Canva. Hope to see you in the next video.